Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's that time of year again, Easter Jeep Safari 2024. Guys, we're gonna have a blast, so stick around, check it out. So we're on the road, left real early this morning. Funny start to this trip. Hopefully it's not an omen for the rest of it. I had to get 2 new trailer tires, and one of those tires had a defect in it. So I went back and had that one replaced. So hopefully the Jeep back there winds up making it just fine without any blowout. But I'm about to meet up with a couple of good friends. Chrissy from Apex Steering. It's always an experience with Todd. Hey guys.
Oh, hey. We on TV?
Well, you could watch YouTube on the TV.
Exactly, so I'm on TV.
So you're on TV, yeah. I'll tell you, lots of wind, lots of hills getting out of Texas. We are averaging 8 miles per gallon. Holy crap, 8.
I can get 70 miles to the gallon on this hog.
Unbelievable. When you're on a road trip to Utah, no one cares anymore how they're pulling up for gas. You have Todd right here.
What?
Doesn't even know how to drive a truck and a trailer, apparently.
You're right. I've only traversed this country all over the place, pulling that thing around, and it's my first time to get diesel.
Well, he made it fit. They had to put an extension on the hose for him, but you know, we got it over there. Somewhere in New Mexico. Mountains are cool. We're on the side of the highway here because Todd and Chrissy have a flat tire. Hopefully it's on the trailer, not on the truck, but we'll see. We're gonna go check it out. So what happened, Todd?
You ran me over a pothole, and now I'm paying the price. Picking me down.
It's not true.
That is 100% true. 3 potholes. But I'm not mad. I'm not an angry person.
You could have just
I'm not holding no grudges.
followed me, who avoided the pothole.
You were driving all over the road like a crazy person.
Because the potholes.
Can you earmuff it for me?
We're in New Mexico. Anyone who's driven through New Mexico knows that the road's and if you don't know, now you do. So, you know, always have a spare. Bummer, man. It happens. So if y'all have ever been to Utah and you know that the gummies are legal, we got stuff going on over here.
It says rock here.
Yeah, and we were gonna go do a level 7 trail today. I'm the only one that's not high, and I don't know that this is what we're doing. This guy's fighting with his shoelaces. Okay.
18 buttons on this thing.
He can't get the shoelaces through the holes on the boots. Do we run this trail or do we do an easier one?
Nah, we should run this one.
Oh,
It's gonna be great.
I don't have a Jeep.
Great. Okay, you don't have a Jeep,
I don't have a
so if you never hear from any of us again, you kind of know where to come and find us. Moab Rim's a 7 out of 10, pretty fun. 20% grade, some rock ledges that wouldn't normally be all that difficult if you were on flat ground, but because you're on a 20% grade with a view down to the edge of a cliff, it can be a little bit more sketchy, but we're about to have some fun. We're aired down, ready to go. Moab Rim is a very tough and challenging trail. It is only rated a 7, but many trails with higher ratings are often considered easier. This trail gives you some amazing panoramic views of the Moab Valley, Arches National Park, and usually snow-capped mountains. Many of the obstacles on this trail are severely off camber and right on the edge of some near 500 to 1,000 foot drops. All right, so this is one of those obstacles on the trail that normally this ledge, right? I mean, you know, it's up to my knee, my mid thigh. It's not super tall, but you're at like a 20% grade. So it's a little crazy when you get up it, and then the rock is pretty slick, so you'd have to bump it a little bit to get yourself up. Or you can take that line where that guy is right there and kind of come around. And this is obviously much easier But then you're a little off camber as you're turning into that, get up around the edge of that rock. So we're gonna figure it out. Is your locker on?
Both of them.
Yeah, so you forgot to lock in this hub.
What?
Yeah, it's not spinning.
What an idiot! Oh, what a loser!
So now with the hubs locked in, the front end obviously comes up pretty easily, but this was kind of pitched toward that 100-foot drop, already on a 20% grade, then climbing a 2 to 3 foot rock ledge, having to bump it, was pushing me toward that drop. We went the easier route. There you go. Yep. I like that line better. Straighten up a little bit. There it is. Go slow. It's gonna climb pretty big, just what you just climbed a minute ago. Go ahead, you're good. There it is. Nice and slow, just don't stop. Chris is having a little bit of trouble with those Mickey Thompson Pro XS's. They don't want to grip on this, right? I guess the lugs are maybe a little too far. They're not stickies. We tried positioning her, getting her to climb up, couldn't do it. We're gonna give her the old, give her the old strap on. We're going to test out that sidewall. There you go. You got it. You're up. Yep. All right, guys, and we made it, right? About a mile of a lot of off-camber, ledgy type stuff that you saw us doing before. Now we're all the way up at the top here. You got a great view of Moab. It's really awesome. We're gonna sit here, grab some lunch, make our way back down the trail. That'll be a lot easier because gravity will help us with a lot of those things. Just pop the Jeep in neutral, got real good control over your brakes. But really good time up here with a really good group of people. What did you think about Moab Rim?
Man, what a great trail, but off camber pretty much the entire first, the whole first mile. So
yeah,
pretty rough. Pucker factor,
yeah,
turned all the way up.
Yeah, pretty intense. Really fun, but pretty intense. Doable, easily doable on like 37s, probably even fairly easily if you're with a buddy on, something like 35, as long as your wheelbase isn't too long. And yeah, it was a blast, a lot of fun, guys. But we're making our way back down, and we're gonna get out of here.